Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making a voiceover. It's not going to be perfect, but bear with me, it's my first time. I'm going to improve. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so this is me trying to loosen my hair, which took several hours, and this is me the next morning. So right now I'm just going to do my pre-poo treatment. As written earlier, you already know what is in the bottle, in the plastic rather. So if you've not watched my video on pre-poo treatment, you should please watch that. You should actually watch that so you know the importance of doing a pre-poo treatment before washing your hair, because actually shampoo strips of moisture from your hair and you don't want your hair to be super dry, right? So yeah, don't mind my face. I just woke up and that was my black soap which I use for my acne. Okay, so the most important part of this video is showing you guys how to make a protein hair mask. So I already listed the ingredients. You could just pause and check if you did not see it. So that's lemon, that's my avocado, those are my eggs, that's onion, which is actually optional, then the banana and the mayonnaise. So right now I'm just going to cut the banana because I need to cut it. Okay, so like people actually blend the banana with it, the banana peel with it, because it's actually nutritional, like trust me it is, but I am too lazy to try to brush out or comb out shafts, so I'm just going to use the banana itself. And the reason why I'm blending the banana alone right now is to avoid particles on my hair after washing. So what I do is I blend the banana alone first, then I sieve it. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of water so it will be able to blend. I'm just going to blend it now, then I'll sieve it, then I'll add the remaining ingredients later and reblend. So as you can see, I actually forgot to add my onion. The onion is actually optional, it's not part of it, but I'm using it because my hair has been in for like 6 weeks and I have dandruff, so an onion is actually very good for dandruff. So this is my blended banana. I'm just going to keep it aside to sieve while I do the remaining one. Now I'm just going to break my eggs. Second egg. My avocado. Okay, my lemon. Then, okay, I was supposed to add honey and oil, but since I did not finish my pre-poo oil, my pre-poo mix, I'm just going to use that instead. Okay, I'm adding mayonnaise right now. That would not be enough, so I'm just going to add a little of that one too. This protein hair mask is actually very, very good, but I must say, if you are protein sensitive, it's better to find alternatives. Of course there are alternatives. I'm going to be making a video of it next time. So how do you know if you're protein sensitive or not? It is actually advisable to try to just try out something first. If you're protein sensitive, you can just remove the eggs. You can just like remove it out of your mix, but you can just do the same thing but just exclude the eggs. The banana is used for everyone, like everyone can use it. Banana, trust me, the banana doesn't have any effect. So also the avocado. So yeah, I just added my avocado there. I would actually advise not to do this every week. Like, of course it's never advisable. I do this once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks, because you don't want your hair to be overfed with protein. Let me just put it that way, because your hair is protein already. So yeah, this is my mix already. I already blended everything. I don't need to sieve it again. So this is what I got, and this is as you can see, it's quite nice. It looks nice actually. It actually smells nice. So that was the consistency I wanted. So right now I'm just going to apply it to my hair. Normally I do this in my bathroom, but since I'm showing you guys, I just have to wear something so I won't make a mess. I'm going to make a mess obviously, but I don't want it to be too much. So how I apply to my hair, I prefer to use a kitchen sponge because it is actually easier to apply to my hair. So you see, I'm starting from my roots down to my ends, and I'm just going to gently massage until my hair feels soft and it tangles easily. As you can see, okay, you can't really see it, but I can see like the curls are popping. So yeah, I'm done with one part, so that's just it. I'll just keep doing that, and I'm just going to twist it so the product can like seep into my hair well. So that's what I'm just going to do. As you can see, I already did like 3 or 4. Oh yeah, that's like the longest part of my hair. I'm really proud of it actually. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Okay, this took me about an hour or 1 hour 20 minutes max. Yeah, it was actually faster today, surprisingly. So I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm trying not to like add too much so it won't start dripping on the floor since I'm not in the bathroom. But yeah, my hair actually gets like extra soft like once I apply this on my hair. I don't know, I don't know, I really love it. Like, it's really good for my hair. But you know, the step to growing your hair and the step to healthy hair is knowing what your hair really likes. Not everything works for everyone. So I'm almost done. I was trying to do this TikTok thingy. So yeah, this is it, done. Then I loosened the twists. I'm just gonna comb it now. I just wanted to see how my hair looked like. Normally I wash my hair in twist, but I was like, since I'm doing it right, there's no reason not to leave it alone like that. My hair actually shrunk, and it felt heavy, but I just wanted to show you guys my volume, which I am very proud of. Whew, I'm really tired of talking. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and comb it or brush it with my detangling brush. I've heard so many reviews about it. It's actually nice, but generally I do not like combing my hair, and the reason is because my scalp is just super sensitive. But this is actually nice. I can only dare to use it when my hair is wet or when I'm in the shower. I hardly use it, but I would recommend anyone who wants to get for fussy hair. It's actually nice and it's soft. So as you can see, I look like my ancestor, right? Well, it isn't that bad. I don't know why I was frowning my face. I was already tired. So yeah, I'm trying to show you the back. Don't mind my cute dressing. So yeah, basically that's it. I'm going to cover my hair now, plastic bag, and then cover it with my strange looking shower cap. I'll leave it for about an hour. I actually left it for an hour plus, like that. Then after, I'm going to wash it and rinse it with my tea rinse, which you can see. This was on my hair for about a minute or two, then I washed it away. So boom, this is how I look after. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.